Valid 12Z Friday, April 10th, 2026. 12Z Sunday, April 12th, 2026. Active weather pattern in the western U.S. will bring heavy mountain snow for the Sierra Nevada and unsettled but warmer than normal conditions. From the Great Basin to the northern high plains. Scattered severe thunderstorms with heavy rain today across the central plains will shift focus into the southern high plains later on Saturday. Warm air surges from the central U.S. toward New England with a round of rain ahead of a frontal boundary. An increasingly active weather pattern is in store for the western U.S. During the next couple of days, California will receive the brunt of the storm as twin low-pressure systems from the Pacific will move onshore. In quick succession, the Sierra Nevada will likely see heavy snowfall, measured in feet over the next couple of days, while the lower elevations will be drenched by 1 to 2 inches of rain. The moisture will penetrate further inland across the Great Basin today, overspreading much of the Rockies during the weekend with high-elevation snow. A warming trend is forecast to accompany the inclement weather through the interior western U.S. during the weekend as a low-pressure system consolidates over the northern high plains Saturday into early Sunday. However, clouds and precipitation will keep daytime temperatures cooler than normal across California. A frontal boundary stretching from the central plains through the northeast will allow warm air to surge from the southern plains toward the eastern U.S., with the most noticeable warm-up across the northeast. A round of rain will move through the Ohio Valley to New England, followed by a cool down during the weekend. Meanwhile, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms with heavy rain early today across the Midwest behind the front will shift focus into the southern high plains later on Saturday as moisture from the Gulf enters the southern plains. The thunderstorms are expected to be stronger and could become severe later on Saturday across the southern high plains ahead of a dry line forced by the low-pressure system developing over the northern high plains. The potential severe weather should advance farther east across the rest of the southern plains into Sunday morning. Meanwhile, rain and embedded strong thunderstorms should also be expanding across the upper Midwest Saturday night into Sunday morning ahead of a warm front. Temperature trends will remain highly variable across the country. Much of the central and eastern U.S. will experience a significant warming trend, with temperatures averaging 10 to 20 degrees above seasonal norms. Unseasonable warmth will become more common across the plains and the southeast, with some record-breaking highs possible by Saturday. Conversely, the northern plains will remain cooler behind the cold front. California will see daytime temperatures drop below normal as the twin Pacific storms move through, while parts of the Northeast and Great Lakes recover from a recent cool spell to near normal seasonable values. Kong/Iovino.